So you might have seen it on my Instagram or Twitter, but I'm using a little program that I built a while ago to show some stats for Rocket League, and I decided to also make a public version. This is not the same version I normally use. There are some things in there that I'm not ready to share yet, but at least the public version you can now download with the link in the description. And this is just a short overview. You need to make sure that at least SOS plugin and Backus mod are installed. There are other tutorials from other people that will explain how to do that. So if you have downloaded RLBuddy and you start it up, you will get this screen. If you do Alt Enter, you can full screen. Uh, so to connect to SOS plugin that is running in Rocket League slash Backus mod, we just go to settings. I'm now just running it on the same PC. So we just click connect and we close the menu. If this little pixel thingy is green, it means that it has a connection. And let's start up a match. Should we go private match, create match, and let's just spectate. And as you can see, this is the stats you get. So the ball touches percentage only works if you spectate the full match because it needs all the data of the match. Uh, and yeah, that's it. Feel free to download it. Let me know. Cheers.